390 Golf Mike, contact NorCal approach 127.15.
390 Golf Mike, Eagle, ground runway 25, taxi via Alpha 3 Alpha.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, Fort Worth Center, climb maintain, follow 400.
Scottsdale Airport, information Tango, time 1653 Zulu, wind variable at 4, temperature 13, dew point 01, altimeter 2983, visual approach, runway 21, in use. Nose determined, crane approximately 1 mile west and 250 feet ATL. DXVOR out of service until 0100 Zulu. Read back, hold short instructions verbatim. Scottsdale noise abatement procedures are in effect. All IFR aircraft obtain IFR clearance prior to engine start. Advise on initial contact, you have Tango.
Scottsdale clearance, Premier 390 Golf Mike.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, Scottsdale clearance, clear to the Tango Yankee, Quebec Airport. Via LALUZ 3 departure, Albuquerque transition, then as filed, maintain 5,000, expect a flight level 410, 3 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 120.7. Squawk 1627.
Okay, 390 Golf Mike, LALUZ 3, Albuquerque transition, as filed, 5,000 feet is the initial altitude, flight level 410, 3 minutes after departure, 120.7, 1627 is the squawk.
390 Golf Mike, read that correct. I didn't look at which one was on, but it looked like 121.6. Well, just hold on.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, taxi from landmark with Tango.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, Scottsdale ground, and stay again position on the ramp.
0 Golf Mike at landmark.
Premier 0 Golf Mike, thanks, runway 21, taxi via Alpha. Current wind is 290 at 3, altimeter now 2984.
2984 and Alpha to runway 21, 0 Golf Mike.
Scottsdale ground, Skyhawk 6254 Delta at signature, ready for taxi. Information Tango.
Skyhawk 6254 Delta, Scottsdale ground, runway 21, taxi via Bravo.
Taxi via Bravo 2154 Delta.
Making sure everything's ready for takeoff.
Scottsdale ground, Airsprint 672 at landmark, Tango ready for taxi.
Airsprint 672, Scottsdale ground, runway 21, taxi via Alpha.
Runway 21 via Alpha, Airsprint 672.
LALUZ departure off of runway 21 is basically a right turn to 335. Radar vectors to the next point. Pretty straightforward. As you look at the terrain around here, you can understand why it's a turn to the north. Both the east and the west have pretty good obstructions, aka mountains. Also see those on the screen here. The red and yellow are this terrain. Tower Scottsdale Tower, Premier 390 Golf Mike, hold short at 21, we're ready in sequence.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, Scottsdale Tower, hold short, disregard, runway 21, clear for takeoff, no delay, traffic's at TVM, 4 miles straight in.
Okay, runway 21, clear for takeoff, no delay, 390 Golf Mike.
TVM 0 Juliet Zulu, traffic departs prior to arrival, Premier Jet, roll in now.
Juliet Zulu, right.
Gear up. Goddamn bro. Flaps coming up.
Scottsdale Tower, this is Skyhawk 6254 Delta, holding short of 21 at Bravo 16, ready for takeoff. Northeast departure.
Skyhawk 6254 Delta, Scottsdale Tower, hold short, runway 21.
Holding short, runway 21, 54 Delta.
Premier 0 Golf Mike, contacting departure, thanks for the help.
So Golf Mike, good day.
And what's the altitude of the traffic for 6 Romeo Sierra?
Over 6 Romeo Sierra traffic now 2 to 3 o'clock, 3 miles maneuvering currently northbound, indicates 5,500.
No joy for 6 Romeo Sierra.
And over 6 Romeo Sierra, additional traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles opposite direction, 4,500.
Departure Premier 390 Golf Mike 3.9, climbing to 5,000.
Over 390 Golf Mike, Phoenix departure, radar contact, climb maintains 6,000.
6,000, 0 Golf Mike. Beautiful day. 1,000 to go. After takeoff checklist, gear up, flaps up, thrusters required, yaw dampers on. Conditions are armed, engine sync, lift up, landing lights. Okay. Pull the power back.
And 6 Romeo Sierra has the traffic.
0 Golf Mike, contact departure 119.2.
19.2, 0 Golf Mike, good day. Departure Premier 390 Golf Mike at 6,000.
American 1899, clear direct Mr. Bill.
Mr. Bill, direct, 1899.
Southwest 2813, clear direct Mr. Bill.
Correct, Mr. Bill, Southwest 2813, thank you, sir.
390 Golf Mike, Phoenix approach, good afternoon or good morning. Turn right heading 080, climb and maintain 8,000.
Right turn 080 up to 8,000, 0 Golf Mike.
Departure Southwest 518 is passing 4,000, climb and be the Snowball 3.
Southwest 518, Phoenix departure, good morning, radar contact, climb and maintain flight level 210.
Climb maintain flight level 210, Southwest 518.
For 390 Golf Mike, climb and maintain 1,000.
11,000, 0 Golf Mike. Okay, that's better.
American 1899, contact Albuquerque Center 124.5, good morning.
220 knots.
24.5, 1899.
And up we go.
Albuquerque, American 1899, 13.5 for 210, and 250 on the speed.
American 1899, resume normal speed.
Normal speed, 1899.
Southwest 2813, amend my altitude, maintain 14,000.
14,000, Southwest 2813.
For 390 Golf Mike, climb and maintain flight level 210.
Flight level 210, 0 Golf Mike. Okay, been cleared through
390 Golf Mike, clear direct 4P.
Direct 4P, 0 Golf Mike. Kind of had that set up already.
Departure American 493 with you out at 2.6 for 8,000 climbing via the Mesa 3.
American 493, fixed departure, good morning, radar contact, climb and maintain, flight level 210.
Climb maintain 210, American 493.
Southwest 2013, flighting 360, climb and maintain, flight level 210.
360 on the heading, 210 on the altitude, Southwest 2813.
Departure good day, Air Sprint 672 with you 7700, climbing 10,000, we're on a heading at 020.
Air Sprint 672, fixed departure, good morning, climb and maintain 1000.
Climb maintain 1000, Air Sprint 672.
Air Sprint 672, clear at Quakey.
Clear direct Quakey, Air Sprint 672.
Well, today we are
672, climb and maintain 14,000.
Climb and maintain 14,000, Air Sprint 672.
we're on our way back to our home in Indianapolis. This is kind of at the outer edge of what the Premier can do as far as range goes. It's 1,320 nautical miles. Should take 3 hours. So we'll need to make sure we monitor the fuel as we progress on out.
390 Golf Mike, contact Albuquerque Center 132.9, good day.
329 Golf Mike, good day.
Thank you.
Albuquerque Premier 390 Golf Mike, flight level 180, climbing flight level 210.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, Albuquerque Center, climb and maintain flight level 370.
Thank you, flight level 370 Golf Mike.
Albuquerque Center, Mexico 484, flight level 400.
Air Mexico 484, Albuquerque Center, roger, stays on light.
We will monitor our fuel and make sure it goes according to plan. If we get behind on fuel, we'll have to we land short. Not probably, but we will have to land short. Take on some fuel. Not a big deal if we need to. Weather is really pretty clear. There's some storms over North Texas up into Oklahoma. Should be above all of that.
330. Yes. American 1598, contact Albuquerque Center 124.32. Thanks.
2432, American 1598, so on.
Route of flight today takes us out of Scottsdale east over to Albuquerque, and then from Albuquerque we continue
flight 1306
eastbound, obviously.
1306, good.
Yeah, we have 27
kind of over the
just that's farther
northern
down the
part
road
of
where
Texas,
it gets bumpy like you down below.
liberal
Or your ride's up
Kansas.
higher here. We can go all the way up to 35, whatever the better ride is.
Wichita.
Frontier 1306, the only bad rides are between 29 and 31, and above
here.
that, it's just some occasional light chop.
St. Louis, and then on into Indy. That's
We put
basically the
350 on
route.
request, please.
Frontier 1306, climb 18 level 350.
Thank you. 350, Frontier flight 1306.
Southwest 644, contact Phoenix approach 124.1. Good day.
24-1. See you later, South 644.
Southwest 939, contact Albuquerque Center 126.902. Good day.
2692, Southwest 939, good day.
Alba 1063, Foxtrot, contact Albuquerque Center 124.32. Good day.
12432 for 63 Foxtrot, thank you.
Looks like we got a little bit of a headwind here. I think once we continue a little bit further eastbound, it will decrease, gradually turn to a tailwind. We've got an average 42 knot tailwind for the whole flight.
Southwest 358 traffic, 1 o'clock, 10 miles northwest center, bus at flight level 380.
Fuel is tight enough that if we had
Frontier flight 1233 traffic,
any kind of headwind, we would have to stop and refuel.
We're looking, Frontier flight 1233.
Southwest 358, contact Albuquerque Center, 126.902, good day.
Southwest 358, 2692, thank you.
So the airplane is in nav mode or FMS. It will just follow the pre-programmed points that I put in the FMS.
Premier 0, Golf Mike, climb and maintain flight level 410.
Flight level 410, 0 Golf Mike. Boy, just a beautiful day here.
Albuquerque Frontier flight 1233.
Frontier flight 1233, go ahead.
6 fall 380.
Southwest 476, Albuquerque Center, roger. And Frontier 1233, go ahead.
Yes ma'am, is there any chance we can go direct Peach Springs yet?
Frontier 1233, I can't go all the way, but could direct to Flagstaff, Foxtrot Lima Golf, and then direct Peach Springs.
Okay, direct Foxtrot Lima Golf and then direct Peach Springs, Frontier flight 1233.
And Frontier 1233, when you talk to the next sector, just ask them because they might be able to do it.
Okay, and you said direct Fox Lima Golf, correct?
Frontier 1233, affirmative, you're clear direct to Flagstaff now, Foxtrot Lima Golf, and then direct Peach Springs. And then a little shortcut.
Okay, thank you so much.
Southwest 172, contact Albuquerque Center, 126.902, good day.
126.902, good day, Southwest 172.
All right, climbing through 32,000 feet now on our way to flight level 410. See that at this current speed, the FMS is showing that we're 1,266 nautical miles from home. It'll take 3 hours and 50 minutes. And we currently don't have enough fuel to do it. As we get up a little bit higher and our fuel burn decreases and we level off and our ground speed increases, we will start to make up some time and make some fuel, as the saying goes.
Southwest 2121 with you, 380.
Should work out okay.
Southwest 2121, Albuquerque Center, go ahead.
Any chance of going direct Hilo Bend or beyond?
Southwest 2121, clear to Hilo Bend.
Hilo Bend, thanks, Southwest 2121.
Southwest 476, clear deck Gila Bend.
Direct Gila Bend, South 476. Albuquerque Center, Frontier 1220 with you, 370.
Frontier Flight 1220, Albuquerque Center, good morning.
Take a look at the current weather back home.
With you, 177, climbing 210, how you doing?
Southwest 1510, Albuquerque Center, good morning. Climb and maintain flight level 370.
Climb maintain 370.
Out of the south at 15, gusting to 22. 10 miles visibility, few clouds at 4,500. Temperature is a very uncharacteristic 22 degrees Celsius. But pretty warm back home.
Southwest 160, contact Albuquerque Center 124.32. Good day.
2432, have a good day now, Southwest 160.
Senior 712 Golf Juliet, contact Albuquerque Center 124.5. Good day.
24.5, good day, 2 Golf Juliet.
Frontier 1306, contact Albuquerque Center 124.32. Good day.
2432, Frontier Flight 1306, we'll see ya.
Well, I'm going to shut the cameras down for a little while and grab a little lunch and take a break. And as always, appreciate you having you along. Feel free to leave any comments, questions. Generally try to get them answered within 24 hours. All right, so a little lunchtime.